Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the actual video link so embedding is reliable. Open YouTube, find the video, then click Share and copy URL. If you want a timecode, select Copy at current time. Once done, switch to Word and place the cursor where the link will live. Make sure your document is editable and not in read mode, otherwise you can't paste a clickable link. This step ensures you have the precise address word needs to create a hyperlink or an embedded video frame. Now choose whether to add a simple hyperlink or a preview embed. For a link, press Ctrl+K or go to Insert then Link, paste the URL and set display text. This keeps the page tidy. For an embedded player, use Insert, Online Video, paste the YouTube URL, and wait for the preview to load. Make sure to resize the frame and set alignment so it fits your layout. If the preview doesn't appear, recheck the URL format and try the shortened URL. B-link. Finish by testing. Use Reading View or Ctrl+, click the link to confirm it opens the video. Save the document after any edits. If embedding didn't work, make sure Word is updated and that online content or ActiveX settings aren't blocked. Sometimes company policies disable embeds. As a fallback, paste the raw iframe code into a web-friendly location or stick to a simple hyperlink. If links break after sending, export to PDF to preserve clickability for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.